Hey everyone, and welcome in another video. This is as always Marcin, and last week I posted few promotional videos about my course. I was telling you I'm going away for a week, so now I came back. Probably there will be few more promotional videos I might post, but now I want to talk about what exactly I offer in my newest course that could possibly make you interested in this course. Also, this week, not only promotional videos, because as well I'm planning to publish something bigger, some tutorial on this channel, and this will be Thursday. The Thursday will be new big video. I'm trying to do some whole outdoor retouch maybe, so you can expect something like that. But now let's talk about this image, because this image is in the course. So I want to tell you what we'll do. It's of course after edit. And let's go to the course, and I want to tell you in a few words what I'm actually offering you. So the course I'm selling on 2 pages, Udemy and the Skillshare. The course on Udemy around $19. The Skillshare, I believe, join to Skillshare $15 a month, 2 months for free. So for those who don't have Skillshare account, that might be the better option. And as you can see, 22 students only on Skillshare. There's 30 few on Udemy, so it's very new course, just published a few days ago. And what is in the course? 53 lectures. I think there's a lot of lectures that actually explain about the retouching, about the course. So the learning lessons, there's around 45 lessons, 5 hours, and that would be probably it over here. Of course, check out the description if you want to know more, if you're not sure, or just watch this video where I explain what I offer you in this course. This is not only one image that will be working, and what is really worth to know that I share the resources for this course. So you have access to the images, and these are actually really great. Dominic Nichols is the photographer, professional photographer. So you have access to the professional images that, of course, I got as a part of the course. And I wanted to make sure I'm making a really high quality course. For the price, it's incredibly cheap to get the high quality raw files within the course for just a few bucks. This is the best deal you could possibly have. And I'm telling you about this because many people were wondering, can it be a good course in the price of McDonald's meal? Well, I think McDonald's meal actually is a little bit cheaper, but yes, I was actually accused of this, and the reason is I prefer to have good amount of students, and I understand not everyone is from US, UK, or like just Western countries where the price $100 or $200, as most of the retouching courses is, would be absolutely reasonable. I understand that, but I'm trying to make this accessible for everyone. Actually, blame me for this. And let's see what I offer you. I might talk about some other image ones as well, but I want to start with this. So what you get in this course, first of all, you get the resources, images, you get the actions, you get the brush, the retouching brush. So these 3 things you get together so you can follow along everything we do here. There is explanations and training lessons I prepared, and I want to show you the training lessons are about where it would be. Cleanup file. So there's cleanup file. I can open this for you. I want to train you how to actually work on the image, how to practice the good cleaning up. There's also the training lessons for Dutch and Burn. So I want to make sure that you know how to work, how to clean up the image. And of course, we clean up the images. We always do it. We need to clean up the images, hair, skin, clothes, all of the stuff like this need to be taken care of, and I want you to be good for this. I also in few lessons I tell you what you need to be retoucher, and not only retoucher, but also what you need to produce high quality images. After cleaning up, there will be some lessons, like for example, getting back the texture of the image, because sometimes during the cleaning up you might actually risk losing some texture, so you will know how to bring back the texture. I told you about the Dutch and Burn process, and we'll have training lessons of Dutch and Burn. And after the training lessons, I'm actually doing real-time work. We working on this image and we doing touch and burn retouching, which is most important part of skin retouching for those who knows it. I'm showing you different techniques for contrast, selective, how to cut out the image from the background, how to work with colors. I'm showing you the technique for color grading. Of course, this is very natural image, so I'm in a few different things. I'm showing you how I do color grading for studio images, which is very delicate, which is very subtle. We don't really change the colors drastically. As you can see, there is some change, and it's more into bluish tones because I think the skin and the background needs to work together, and in this way they are working better. So I'm talking about color harmony and how to apply this to your image. Of course, we are working on the skin tones, which need to be nice and warm for the swimwear and lingerie, and of course final touch-ups that I do in this course. And before that, I'm also showing you how to do raw conversion in Camera Raw and in the Lightroom. So you will know both softwares very good. You will know how to do raw conversion, which is rather simple in the both of the softwares. But I think the biggest value of this course are actually the resources that you are getting. Knowledge is one way. I have other courses where I also share a lot of knowledge, but really it's the incredible images with professional photographer and the model, the agency model that is signed, that do the professional work. So can you get such a great deal for few bucks, as I said before, with professional model and the photographer? And not only this, because there was professional makeup artist, professional hairdresser, and all of these things need to be paid for. So many people also were asking me questions, give me coupon for free. Can you give the course for free? There was few people asking me in the comments, but you must know that someone, mainly me for the courses, has to pay for certain things. And this is sort of my job. So I'm paying for something to get the resources, and I'm giving you as cheap as possible. So if you're interested in this kind of retouching, if you're a photographer who wants to create great swimwear and lingerie images, this is the course for you. If you are a retoucher who struggle with perfect skin, with the color grading, this is the course for you. And I believe you are going to enjoy this. Thank you. And I'm going to talk to you very soon with the tutorials, with not such a chaotic video as this one, because I just came back an hour ago to home, and I just keep wanting to stay in touch with you, making this video. Of course, promote my course. I'm not going to lie. This is very important. I need to do this. So for those who are expecting the tutorial now, I do really apologize for this. Don't leave me. Subscribe if you are new here, because I also give you tutorials. Follow me on Instagram if you like what I do. And I will see you next time.